Page 8, Sneaky Kinda Rag. 4/4 time, no sharps or flats. We're in the key of C major. Make sure you can do the scale for C major and the scale for A minor. It also has no sharps or flats. At least 2 octaves up and down. I got videos on them. Go do all that junk. You can go, okay. Here, lots of eighth notes and accidentals. Right hand, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And again, it's got tied notes. That's part of what ragtime does. But you can, if you need to, take out the tie and just play all the notes at first. And then once you have a handle on that, once you got it, put the tie back in. Just hang on to the note rather than playing it again. And they're all over the place. You can work out the rhythm on your own, I'm sure. At the bottom of page 9, there, measure 27, you want you to cross over. So 1 and 2 and 3, and then you come down in half steps, or chromatically. That's fine, you do 1 and 5 and all. There's other fingerings, but that's good. We can do that. Once you can play the notes and the rhythm's okay, just add the articulation. Don't accent that staccato, and that's what we tend to do because we push off a little bit, and that tends to accent it. Don't. It's on the 4th beat of a measure. Don't accent. And so, in the left hand, just connect. Hand comes up. Measure 8, look out. 1 and 2 and 3. Those eighth notes in the left hand come on beat 3. Right after you play that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So be accurate there. I don't know. You can do the articulation, I'm sure. Measure 27, and then I'm just hinging at the wrist. And now you get accents. You can play these at the last measure a little louder. Both hands. Okay. Let the wrist collapse a little bit. Don't play with stiff wrists. Dynamic-wise, it goes to the melody, which in the most part is in the right hand. Now usually I would say you bring out the melody and all that, but in this particular piece, as near as I can tell, both hands are, it's more like a duet. They're both important, so I'm going to say don't bring out any particular hand, just bring them both out. So both hands are moderately soft at the beginning. And then come up to loud. Not very loud, just loud. Then on measure 12, you're only moderately loud here. And then measure 16 is an echo that's soft. And back up to moderately loud. And then on measure 20, you go back up to loud. So fourth, and measure 25, down to moderately soft. At the beginning, and then 27, you're measure 27, you're moderately loud. Now here starts on beat 2, 1 and then go up to loud. Land it. And then the last notes will be very loud because of the accents. So that's my impression of the dynamics. This is one of those things, again, you got to get to know it and get comfortable with it enough that you start feeling the dynamics. You feel this because all of this articulation and dynamics is part of interpretation. They're telling you how to interpret that much of it, but you can do more. And as far as natural accents go, and 4/4 time is the first beat. It's always the first beat. There's another one on beat 3 that's not quite as strong if you want. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like the half notes. Measure 13. 1, 2, 3. Those are on. Those are stronger beats. And then on syncopation, a lot of times we naturally accent the syncopated note. You bring it out. So it's here at the beginning. So we want to hear 1, 2. We want to hear that 1, 2, 3. But we hang on. It's like we play it quicker, so we accent it because it throws it off. So that's just part of interpretation. So you can put a little accent. It's a felt thing. Don't force it. So forth, and you can do that throughout on the syncopation notes. Speed-wise, well, again, they give you metronome markings, but it's got to be accurate first. You can gradually speed it up later. Don't go so fast that your eighth notes are not controlled, they're not even, and it's just yuck. I mean, you might be having a ball playing it, but if anybody is listening to you, they're going, been there, done that,